Hello.
Hi. Welcome to our advanced pediatric care facility at Samitivej Hospital. We uphold international standards in all pediatric specialties. We are ready to care for pediatric patients from Thailand and around the world. Feel safe from the moment you arrive. We screen on arrival with respiratory infection cases treated in negative pressure rooms. Efficient air circulation and filtration, along with cleaning robots, reduce the risk of infection, ensuring a safe and comfortable hospital experience throughout your treatment journey. Smart OPD is a fast and safe service that reduces time waiting to meet a doctor. Appointments can be made in advance via our app. Check crown density on the crown canvas screen. Kidz dashboard. Get updated on the queue and doctor wait times. Pay conveniently through our app. Enjoy worry-free hospital stays. Designed for child safety, featuring low beds with rounded edges. Featuring real-time communication between patients and their care teams. And an IV alarm system that enhances safety without disturbing patients. Enjoy the convenience of faster admissions and discharges. For emergency care, our ambulances care for pediatric patients at the scene with a direct connection to the command center for prompt treatment on arrival. Our child-friendly ER features calming sights, tastes, scents, sounds, and touch points to reduce pain and anxiety. But that's not all. We also have the Well Kidz app, which supports your child's health from prevention and care to treatment tracking, anytime, anywhere. All of these elements combine to create a seamless, interconnected healthcare ecosystem. More than 100 pediatric specialists provide advanced care for complex conditions at Samitivej Hospital, Pediatric Blood and Cancer Center and Stem Cell Transplantation Center, Pediatric and Neonatal Cardiology and Heart Surgery Center. Our hybrid operating room uses biplane X-ray technology, allowing multiplane imaging while reducing radiation exposure. Pediatric Emergency and Trauma Center. Pediatric Rehabilitation Center. Equipped with robot-assisted physical therapy. Pediatric Epilepsy, Brain and Neurological Diseases Center. End-to-end care for international patients. We offer telemedicine consultations for treatment planning and follow-up care. Professional interpreters are available for easier communication. Aero Medical Services for patients in need of air transport. The hospital is just minutes away from Suvarnabhumi Airport. We work in partnership with children's hospitals in the United States and Japan. Our hospital is committed to environmental sustainability, designed and built to meet gold standard criteria for LEED. The facility includes solar panels, heat-resistant glass and air quality that meets the PM 2.5 Blue Level standard. The Samitivej New Life Fund continues to give children a new chance at life. We are proud to receive numerous prestigious awards. We earn trust through our patients' confidence in our doctors, nurses, staff and hospital. Our smart approach to treatment ensures the best care for every family. At Samitivej Hospital, we are dedicated to ensuring a healthier future for every child.